Hi guys, we're here in our second destination. So, medyo malayong parking kasi it's Friday. Marami raw tao.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm with Gian again and we're here at OLMBC or Our Lourdes of Mount Banahaw Church. And there's the church. OLMBC is located at Sitio Balete, Dolores, Quezon. Our Lady of Mount Banahaw Church is not a resort. It's a pilgrim site, a sacred ground for Our Lady of Mount Banahaw Church. Like how you respect other churches, you must follow their rules like wear proper attire, observe silence, and no shouting. No running, no playing, no smoking, no toys and inflatables. Even the cleansing area is free, don't wear swimsuits. Open 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and the cleansing area is open 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Friday to Sunday. All religions are welcome, so come and visit OLMBC. Quiet lang tayo. So, nandito tayo sa cleansing area ng OLMBC. So, Our Lourdes of Mount Banahaw Church. And that's the church. Hindi daw po pwedeng mag-video doon sa loob. So, yung ibang shots namin last time is hindi ko po pwedeng i-upload. And that's their church. And this is their cleansing area. This is all free. Free ang entrance, free ang car park, free ang swimming. No, it's not swimming. Hindi ka pa pwedeng mag-swim dito. Dipping din lang siya. So, hindi ka pa pwedeng magdadive. Hindi ka pa pwedeng lumangoy. So, ganito lang. I-cleanse mo lang ang iyong soul. So, this water is from Mount Banahaw. And you know, ilang beses ko na sinabi sa vlog ko, there's something in the waters of Mount Banahaw.